I know say all of us know the reason why Igbo talk say they don't go follow or join this protest. All of us know. Based on what they do them during that election for Lagos, all of us know. Now why me I no go ever blame Igbo for saying that? Say they don't go join, I no go ever blame them. Okay, meanwhile, we gonna try our best to convince them. Okay, some Igbo come later come they fall in love with us. Say okay, may they join us. We don't they happy. We don't they happy. Because like this, if now say if we want win this our government, if we want win them, all of us must unite. Okay, we're gonna try bring Igbo people in with that. Some don't they join us, they don't they join us. When say me say I don't they happy. I don't even like those people when say they try to join themselves. Now one useless one guy, one idiot, where God go punish for that place where he did. He go drop one mumu comment for Twitter. Say they won't pursue Igbo people come out for Lagos. You won't pursue Igbo come out for Lagos. Wait, now your papa get Lagos. Now your papa now get Lagos. Which I'm saying won't come out, won't pursue. All of us are we not Nigerians? Lagos is not the part of Nigerians. What did they talk? I be your own people will be Yoruba say they know there east, they know they not, they know there east, they know they Igbo land, they know food here. Now your papa get Lagos. And all of us get Lagos, don't they want yourself? You dey hear? And beside, you where they talk say you want pursue Igbo, come up for the, you know say this thing now they talk and they say I want pursue Igbo, when I want pursue Igbo. I need to make una pursue Igbo, it go affect. You where they talk now say you want pursue Igbo. You, which job opportunity, which business where you get, which job opportunity where you get, where you create for masses, which job? You create any job? Mr. Tinubu, which job where they create for people? Which job our governors who create for the masses? Senator, which job where they create? No. But Igbo people come all the way from their east, enter Lagos. They don't do business. Very successful business. Their business, they move well. They go they employ people. They employ masses, poor people like us. When we say we don't want chief. Now we won't work. They employ people like me. They work for them, they pay them. Now you walk on game and say, what pursue Igbo? And like anything will make it pursue Igbo. When we say, Tutu, na come pursue all the whole Igbo. Come on for Lagos. And still na go here. Because person will not want chief before, he go start to the chief. And your shop, they go come, they go loot your shop, they go break your shop, they go thief people for high. They go thief your market. Because when they say work no day again. Because now Igbo, out of 100%, now Igbo, now they be 90%. People, when they do business, successful business for Lagos here, now they food their pass. And now they get employee. She na employer, I don't know, you don't concern me. But now they get people where they work for them. They get staff where Yoruba did there, Igbo say did there. Their staff. They employ people, they pay them. Meanwhile, they give job opportunity to the masses. They give job opportunity to the masses. I be skit guy. I know which I see for skit. Me and one of my guy like that. We won't work for one company like that. The company na close me. He did that on your side. Now that the company did, now that side the company did. The first time we went the guy said, "I no go fit work company work. He won't go they do all this business shopping this thing." He go meet one madam like that. Now Igbo, for there he learn the thing. Now he don't run your own business on your own. Small thing don't they enter you on his own. Waiting at the talk. Say now what pursue Igbo. All this tribalism, I don't go stop him. And I swear this country no go ever move forward. One lie. I mean they tell you now. If you not pursue Igbo come out for Lagos, criminal go full Lagos pass this one where they already.
God, thank you. Leave the matter there. Let me continue. Leave the matter there. You tried. First of all, thumbs up for this guy. Thumbs up. He's telling you the truth. If you know they speak real English, but he passed a message they very strong. But regards that protest is an insincere protest. I don't believe that protest. Wayo. It's just like somebody you told somebody, let's go hunting. And when the person gets to hunting, instead of pointing the gun or the instrument for hunting on the animal you are trying to hunt. He's pointing it at you. That is what they intended to do. But that is not why Igbos pulled out, actually. Not be the reason at all. Igbos pulled out because wayo, they did this thing. When Igbos won vote for Lagos during 2023 election, what happened? They said, there were all sort of threats. Even though at the end of the day, the result come out, they say it will be win. But we still understand what happened. If we win with wider margin. But that one aside, intimidating voters. And we saw what happened at the end of the day. Court validated everything. When the protest, the one way for the main protest won't start, they say no, but they opposed it in any way. No protest, no protest. Now when after 1 year, they won't make we join them protest. They won't make we join them protest. And they say so, according to this guy, I don't know any Igbo way join them. I don't believe say Igbo people join inside this protest. But according to this guy, say some Igbo people begin to join. Now in the midst of that process, they say Okwoge de Kokwano. Okwono de Kokwano. Instead of shooting the animal, they want to shoot your leg. Say Igbos must leave Lagos. Some of these people, they say Igbo must leave Lagos. They no be Lagosians, so. They no be Lagosians, so some na Ogun, Ibadan, Oyo, Oshun, Osogbo, even some way they Kogi. All of them, even some Phoebe Edo. Igbos must leave Lagos. Many of them no get single house for Lagos, na rent then they pay. But people will come there, buy property, stay. They do big business. They employ a lot of people. And then you say then go leave Lagos. I like the question where the guy they ask now. I like the question where they pour. Many of these people, in fact, even Lagos don't tell us say, when it comes to deciding, maybe make the country done or make them go regional thing, say on a no day, say then go stand alone. Yes, say then go stand alone as Lagosians because make gonna continue with the other things. Say Lagos go be in own region, then other Yoruba states, southwest, go dey their own. They don't tell on already. Ona do ear like ona know the ear here. I believe say most of these people where they do, they say make Igbo leave Lagos. Now the ones where no be true Lagosians. Ona see person where in father be Lagos man, in mother can be Igbo. Real Lagosian, like Funshaw William. Those ones will not be real Lagosian say this begin to instigate others against this particular guy. Say he no go rule. Uno anafo. At the end of the day, he no go rule. This guy asked on a question, make una help us. How many employment on a people with the position don't create, including on a governor? Compared to waiting the employment where Igbo people don't give now. Igbo people, they go place, they build the place. Yes, they earn from the place. Yes, they earn. But they also build that place. If you say you no see Igbo influence for Lagos, it no go better for you. Because you are lying and you are wicked. If you say you no see Igbo influence, waiting Igbo do for Lagos, it no go better for you. And if your mind be say, make Igbo come out, make you inherit Igbo properties, you go suffer. You no go feel manage them. So what do I advise you to leave Igbo alone? I know the beg gonna again, no. We know the beg gonna. We don't see waiting past this one now. And we expect maybe the president talk for this matter. The president talk, but he gets, they stiff. He can't tell us like say something still they happen for background. They make politicians they deceive una. Do you know that if a place is good, just like America, some people are answering Chinese America, Japanese America, Australian America, German Americans. They are happy to because they are given free will in that place. They are not thinking like some people who are saying these people are taking over our land. No, they are progressives. And they look at This thing go benefit everybody. Even yourself where they sell your land for Lagos. Not be every land then they sell. And make I advise you, make it there like say this one to your own favor. If you go to tour in Italy, I was speaking with a man, will be my friend for Italy. He tell me, say, yes, then they sell land to other people, but he get places where for the indigens, but when they sell all. ShopRite don't buy many. Only anyway, maybe as ShopRite they come out, they feel sell and back or dash on. Una they sell everything. Sell where una go bury people, sell where una go shit. When some people come occupy, the thing go begin to pay you upon say you sell them for very costly price. Igbo people must go. Now everybody they shout, including the one who no get one room for Lagos. The one we sell inheritance, they sing, Igbo people must go. The one we no get one room, we no be Lagosian, still they shout, Igbo people must go. When Igbo go, make I tell you another thing will go happen if Igbo people go. Make una Oshantion, make una here. If Igbo people go, who go the parents they live for all those houses? Una no go get people where go the parents. For those ones who still get their property intact, we never sell, we just the rent. Una no understand what they do to themselves. Now this the major reason. Other Nigerians no go invest for Lagos again. You know why? Then go the fear say, today na Igbo turn. Tomorrow na our turn. Una no know. Make una dey fool on ourselves. Today is Igbo turn. Tomorrow will be our turn. If we begin to amass wealth like in Igbo, we too will be seen like this. Because there is no strong reason for opposing the Igbo. Just it's jealousy. And it can happen to you if you start doing well too. If it can happen to Igbo, then if a Hausa man goes to Lagos and start doing well, he will also be a target. If any tribe, a Gala or any people, a Joe go to Lagos and start doing well, he will also face the same problem. And I don't know. They say Igbo people must go. Some too follow. Igbo must go. Waiting then do for Igbo, then go do you. When you begin, they get money like Igbo. And I don't understand what thing they happen. Igbo must go. Igbo must go. Hey, you think say if you manage that property where Igbo man keep there, you know if you manage them. Imagine, let's give you an example now. Let's assume all Igbo people will go. You understand? Make all Igbo people come go. And now those people they rent to your place pass. You go the quote price, then go the rent. They even by themselves carry the price up so that then go collect the place, the warehouse. You know reason am. Now them fit pay you that kind of money. I believe say no be all Yoruba they talk like this, say Igbo must go. You get some reasonable ones, especially the educated ones. Some of them will no believe in this rubbish. Like I tell on a story of America, everybody won't be America because then fix America. America will give some people sense of belonging. That is why. If you be America now, Chinese America, I come here say China won't come destroy America. You go agree? Oh, and as the thing be say, God gift many different kind of people with different kind of wisdom. America, they accept everybody. You will see small child with an IQ too high, maybe not from Nigeria. People like Emma Agwari, they no one make it come back. But ona see good brand for ona side, ona go they pursue. Omoibo, go. Omoibo, go. Emma Agwari is somehow an American, though he still remembers home. Father of internet. He's still an American. No? There are many brands from different parts of the world where they America today, where they answer America, because they make them feel at home. Make una try get sense. Now here I won't stop this video. Make una share and well. If you never subscribe, subscribe.